Hi, my YouTube friends. I hope everybody's okay. So, I'm Dee, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to look at organizing the pantry. So, this is a space that goes overlooked sometimes because we just go in and out of it so frequently. So, for those of you who have a pantry or a cabinet where you're storing all your edibles, that good stuff. My mouth is starting to water as we speak. But those things that you're storing, you want quick access, particularly if you are a parent and you're preparing lunch or dinner or snacks, breakfast. You need easy access to these things. And sometimes it's crazy when you're sitting there trying to figure out, where did you put the sugar? Where's the sugar? Who had the sugar the last time? Where's the salt? Things that we use on a regular basis. But when your space is organized, you tend to go through it with a breeze. So today we're going to talk about how we're going to do that. If you like the smallest, the tiniest things, please like, subscribe below, right down there. Like, subscribe below. And I will try to leave information regarding some of the buckets and things that I purchased to help organize. Now, many of them I'll be talking about it in the actual video. So, but if you have additional questions, just leave your comment. I promise you, on my word, I will get back with you, okay? So, like always, let's get into it. And we are going to knock this out. What? Of the park. Hello, my YouTube friends. As indicated in the introduction, we will be showing you how we organize our pantry. And these are some of the containers that were used. We purchased this container, Sterlite, from Walmart. Then we have a smaller version of that container. A few jars. This jar came in a pack of 3, so we'll be using that. And this canister from Mainstay was also purchased from Walmart, and we used several of these in the organization of the pantry. And then we have these command hooks that we're going to show you a special feature, a little hack that we use to store our sandwich bags, our freezer bags, and things of that nature. So let's dive right in and look at how we organize our pantry. I also wanted you to see the labels that we used on the containers. These are the same labels if you've seen my linen closet video. These are the same chalkboard surface labels, and these work really well on these type of containers, and you're able to label the things that are in each container, so there's no mistaking regarding what it is you are storing. And I love clear containers because clear containers make it easy to identify what's inside, as well as reading what's inside of that container. So there you have it. Here's the special feature that we spoke of earlier. What we've done is, sometimes the boxes that the sandwich bags, the freezer bags come in, sometimes those boxes are a little difficult to store. So I thought it would be best if you store things in a way that enables you to have easy access, but also space saving. So what we did was we took a command hook and we put it on the actual surface where we are holding the bag that is holding sandwich bags and freezer bags inside. And we made just a small hole just beneath the closure on the bag. And then we put the command hook, attached it to the wall, and then the hole that we made, we looped that around the command hook. And then we put inside our freezer bags and our sandwich bags. And how convenient is this to be right in a spot, because these bags are positioned on the pantry door. And I believe in utilizing all the space in your pantry, as well as closets or any area where you're going to be storing or organizing things. I believe in using all the space. So I have some prime real estate right here between the sandwich bags and the freezer bag. And I can also add more bags to have easy access to, like snack bags can be also mounted. But this is a great way, and then it's already open. You just reach down in the bag and get what you need, and you're well on your way. So what better way to store your sandwich and freezer bags on your pantry door? You can even do this on a wall, and it is a perfect setup. Don't forget to try and think outside of the box.